Do you know why a triangle drawn on a semicircle is always a right angle triangle? The secret lies in one of the most important circle theorems, the angle at the center theorem. In this lesson, I explain the theorem step by step, prove it, and show you how to solve questions with it. Let's dive in. The definitions of the theorem. The theorem states that in a circle, the angle made at the center of the circle by an arc is twice the angle made at the circumference of the circle by the same arc, provided both angles stand on the same arc. Let us show the proof. Draw the circle with center O. Let us say this is our center O. Let us label this place O. Pick 3 points A, B, C on the circle. Let us pick here to be A, here to be B, and here to be C. Join OA, OB, and OC. Also join AC and BC. Notice that OA equal to OB equal to OC because they are radii of a circle. We want to prove that angle AOB is equal to 2 multiplied by angle ACB. Look at the triangles OAC, OAC and OBC. Each is isosceles triangle because OA is equal to OC and OB is equal to OC. So they are isosceles triangle. In triangle OAC, angle OAC equal to angle ACO because base angle of isosceles triangle are equal, and let us say it is equal to x. So here we have x, here x. In triangle OBC, angle OBC equal to angle BCO because base angle of isosceles triangle are equal, and let us equate it to y. So here we have y, here too we have y. The angle at the circumference that sustains arc AB is the angle at C. Our arc AB is this, and the angle at C is this. Angle ACB equal to angle ACO plus angle OCB, which equal to our angle ACB is equal to angle ACO and OCB. Our angle ACO is x. We can say x plus our angle OCB is y. Now, find the center angles that relate to those isosceles triangles. In triangle OAC, angle AOC plus x plus x. This is our triangle, and our AOC with this angle and this angle equal to 180 degree, because sum of angle in a triangle is 180 degree. So angle AOC plus x, we have 2x equal to 180 degree. Our angle AOC equal to 180 degree minus 2x, because if we transpose 2x to the right hand side, the positive sign will change to negative. In our triangle OBC, similarly, our angle COB equal to 180 degree minus 2y. Our angle COB is COB, and sum of angle in a point is equal to 360 degree. That means our angle AOB plus angle AOC plus angle COB equal to 360 degree. Now, our angle AOB equal to 360 degree minus angle AOC minus angle COB, because if we transpose angle AOC and angle COB to the right hand side, the positive sign will change to negative. Angle AOB equal to 360 degree minus, let us substitute the value of our angle AOC and angle COB into this equation. So we are going to have bracket 180 degree minus 2x minus bracket 180 degree minus 2y. Angle AOB equal to 360 degree. If we clear this bracket, minus 180 degree minus, multiply by minus, we have positive, plus 2x. Also, if you clear this bracket, we are going to have minus 180 degree plus 2y. Our angle AOB equal to 360 degree minus 180 minus 180 will give us minus 360 degree plus 2x plus 2y. Angle AOB equal to 360 minus 360 is 0. 2x plus 2y. Our angle AOB equal to 2 bracket x plus y. And we have already shown that our angle ACB equal to x plus y. So in place of x plus y, let us put our angle ACB. Angle AOB equal to 2 bracket angle ACB. Proved. Our example 1. If an arc subtend 110 degrees at the center, what's the angle at the circumference? And we have already shown that angle at center equal to 2 multiplied by angle at circumference, and our angle at center is 110 degrees. So 110 degrees equal to 2 multiplied by angle at circumference. Divide both sides by 2 to get your angle at the circumference. Angle at circumference equal to 110 over 2, which will give us 55 degrees. Our example 2, find the value of angle AOB. And we have already shown that angle at the center twice the angle at the circumference. That means our angle AOB equal to 2 multiplied by angle ACB. Angle AOB equal to 2 multiplied by our angle ACB is 42 degrees. 42 degrees. Angle AOB equal to 84 degrees. This is our quick practice question. So that's the angle at the center theorem, one of the most powerful circle theorems you'll ever use. Always remember, angle at center equal to 2 times angle at circumference. In the next video, we explore another circle theorem and build on this knowledge. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the next circle geometry lesson. Thank you.